my lovely children. I hope everyone is happy and healthy at home. Welcome to today's online class. As you are aware of pre-midterm exam and in the previous class you came to know of the math syllabus. So with addition to that we will revise chapter number 3 addition and practice it as per MCQ, that is multiple choice questions patterns. So children, let us do this is of chapter number 3 addition multiple choice questions. We will see how to do it in the MCQ pattern. Question first, find the missing number. That means you have to find one number, one digit will be missing there. You have to find from the option which is the correct one. Let us solve now. First, 2 plus, this is a sign of addition. Remember, this is a sign of addition. So 2 plus nothing is there equal 5 plus 2. See children, you have learned the properties of addition. In the same way you have to do this one. Here 2 numbers should be there equal, here also 2 numbers. What are the numbers given? 5 and 2. And equally there, that means both the sides should be equal. 5 plus 2, 2 numbers are there. But here only 2 numbers is there. So what is the number missing here? Can you tell me? 2 is here. And again at the second side 2 is here. Okay. But here one number is missing and here 5 is there. So what will be coming in the box here? 5. It should be balanced. Equal sign, it means that both the lines should be balanced. Here 2 is there. Then second also 2 is there. But 5 is absent in the first. So we'll write down 5 is our answer. And we can see from the option A. 5 is there. We will put a tick mark over that option A. Like this you have to solve these types of questions. Missing words, missing letters, digits. Second, 3 plus missing equal 3. That means number 3, if anything is adding to the number 3, then again we get the answer 3. Then what is the number coming here? See children, if 3 sticks are there, if you are adding something and after that you are getting again 3. That means you have not added something, yes or no? If you are adding 1, then it will become 4 or 5, whatever may be. But in this case, 3 is there, but again we get the answer as 3. That means nothing is added, 0. So our answer will be 0. That if 0 is added to the number, we get the same answer of the number. Options, yes, 0. D option is correct. 0 will come in the box. So our answer is D. We will put a tick mark like this. Next question. 7 plus 8. This side 2 numbers are there. 7 plus 8. And the other side only one number is there and one is missing. So what will be coming? Which number will be coming inside the box? 7, 8 is there. 7 is here also. But here which number is missing? This 8? Yes or no? 7 is there on both the sides, but 8 is not present here. So we'll put 8 number, and from the option where 8 is given, A2, B8, C4, D0. This 8 is correct. We get the answer here as 8. So our answer is option number B, 8. Fourth, 13 plus 1 plus 4 equal to, on the that side also, missing box plus 13 plus 4. See children, here 3 numbers are there. 13 and here also 13 is there. Here 1, but here 1 is there? No. Here 4. Here also 4 is there. So can you tell me which number will come in the box? 13 is present on both the sides. 4 is present on both the sides. Yes, 1 is absent, 1 is not here. So we'll put the number 1 in the box, and from the option A4, B2, C1, D13. Yes, 1 is the answer. So we'll put correct tick mark on the option C, that is 1. Next, 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4 plus 6 equals 6 plus missing box plus 4. See children, again 3 numbers came. So what to do? First see whether every number is there or not. Which numbers are there? 6. Both the sides 6 is there. 4. Both the sides 4 are there, but which number is not present on that side? 8. 8 is not present there. See, look carefully. 4 is there on both the sides. 6 is also there on both the sides, but not there. So we'll put 8 here, then it will be balanced. See, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6. We got the answer as 8. And from the option A 6, B 8, C 0, D 4. What is the answer? 8. So B is there. We'll put a tick mark over the B option. Our answer comes as 8. Okay, this much is completed of the missing number. So you have to do the addition question of missing number like this. You have to find from the option A, B, C, D, whatever. Compare both the sides and see which number is missing. Okay, accordingly you will solve these types of questions. So let us do some more questions of the addition. 6 plus 5. Do you know 6 plus 5 what it will be? These numbers are one digit number. Okay, one digit number. So 6 plus 5 you can do either by counting or you can do by placing the sticks like this. 6 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or either you can place the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First number. And again what is the second number? 5. So again 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all together you count the total number of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how much we got here? 11. So the answer of 6 plus 5 is 11. And option given 12, 15, C 11, D 10. So our answer is 11. It is in the option C. So C is the correct answer. Okay. In this way you have to solve the addition at the side or at the rough side. You do it either by counting or by placing the sticks. Whatever you can do, means whatever method you can adopt, either by placing the sticks, counting the sticks, or by using your hands. Second, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 how much, children? 2 sticks. Then 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get the answer here is 7. So our options are A 6, B 7, C 12, D 9. So 7 comes under B option. So we'll put a tick mark over the option number B, 7. Next, 7 plus 8 plus 5. Here 3 numbers are there. See how to do. First write down in this form. First number is 7. Next number is 8. Next number is 5. Okay. Then put the addition sign. This is the sign of addition. Then do the addition. 7 plus 5, 8 plus 5. Count by using your hands or else by doing the sticks. A 7 plus 8. Tell me, children. 7 plus 8. 15. 15 plus 5. First do this addition. Then you get the answer as 15. Yes? 7 plus 8. Count 15. Then this 15 will be adding with 5. 15 plus 5. 20. So we'll write the answer 20. Our answer comes as 20. See where it is there in the option. A 24, B 21, C 15 and D 20. It is there in the option D. So we will put tick mark over the option D, 20. Next question, 6 plus 2 plus 5. Again 3 numbers are there. So write down in this way. First write down the first number 6, then second number 2 like this, then the next number 5. Okay. We will write down in this way and do the addition. First do the addition of 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, children, how much? 8. Then this 8 will be adding up with 5. 8 plus 5. Tell me, children, 8 plus 5. 13. So our option is there or not? A 6, B 13, C 5, D 14. 13 is there in the B option. So we will put tick mark over this option B. Got it, children? Next, 2 plus 2 plus 3. Here in this form it is given. It will be easier for you to do. 2 plus 2. Yes, 4. This 4 and 3 will adding. So what is the answer comes is 7. 7. Let us see. A 9, B 5, C 7, D 12. Our answer 7 is in the option C. So we will put tick mark over the option C like this. Next, 9 plus 2 plus 4. First do the first 2 addition. 9 plus 2, children, how much? Tell me how much? 11. Then this 4 will add with 11. 11 plus 4 how much? Tell me. 15. So this 15 is there in the option. Let us see. Yes, A15, B10, C14 and D20. So we'll put a tick mark over the option A15. Okay. In this way you have to do the one digit number addition in the MCQ pattern. Okay children. So let us do now two digit addition. First question our is there 60 plus 40. These are two digit numbers, that is ones place is there and tens place. Okay, 60 plus 40, then you have to do addition. At the rough side write down first number is our 60, then in the second number is 40. You'll write down just below 60, put the addition sign and do the addition like this. Okay, let us start. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, answer is 0. Then 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, what is the answer? 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. After writing 0 plus 0, we get answer 0. 6 plus 4, we get answer as 10. 100, that means 100. So our answer is 100. So option A 110, option B 105, option C 100, option D 72. Which one is the correct? Tell me children. Yes, C1 is the correct. So we'll put tick mark over option number C. Next question, 54 plus 42. First write down the number 54. Give the place value also, ones and tens like this. Then next number 42. Start from the one side, ones place 2, then 4 in this way. Put the addition sign and do the addition. Starting from the ones place, 4 plus 2 how much children? 4 plus 2, 6. Then 5 plus 4 how much? 9. So we get the answer as 96. So we have to see whether option 96 is there. A96 we get in the first only. So we'll put tick mark in the option number A96. Next question, 23 plus 32. Tens place, ones place. Okay, 21. First number 21 written. Then after that 32. Starting from 2, it will be coming in the ones place. Then 3, it will be coming in the tens place. Yes or no? Yes. Write down this way and do the addition sign. Then we will do the addition. First, do the placement of the digits according to the place values correctly. 21 written, put the heading ones and tens, then 32. Start from the ones place and then tens place. Okay? Don't mess the words. Then don't mess the numbers. Then ones place, 1 plus 2, 3. Then coming to the tens place, 2 plus 3, 5. So we get the answer here is 53. It is option A 60, option B 54, option C 72, option number D 53. Yes, it is there. So we will put a tick mark on the option 53. If the box is present, then rightly write down the answer in the box. If box is not there, then also only put a tick mark over the option. 84 plus 39. Tens, ones. 84. Written. The next number 39. 9 and 3. Okay. Addition sign and let us do the addition. 4 plus 9. Tell me student, 4 plus 9? 13. So, you will write 13 directly here in the ones place? No, you will not write down directly 13 here in the ones place. What you will do? 13 is 10 plus 3, 1 tens and 3 ones. So, these 3 ones, it will go here in the ones place and these 1 tens will come here over as a carryover on the tens place like this. Remember now? Yes. Then this one is completed. Let us come to the tens place. We have 1 carryover, 8 and 3. Let us do this addition first. 8 plus 3, 11 and 1 is there as carryover. We have to add our carry. We get the answer 11 plus 1, 12. So we will write down 12 in the tens place like this. Okay children, I am repeating again. First do addition 4 and 9. get the answer as 13. This 13 is 1 tens and 3 ones. So this is of the ones column. So this 3 will come under the ones column and this 110 will go over the tens place as carryover. Okay. Then in the tens place, do the addition of the number 8 and 3. We get answer as 11. Then this one as carryover is there. It will be adding to the addition of this 11 plus 1. We get the answer 12. So overall the answer is 123. So where is the option 123? Option C. So we'll put tick mark like this. Next question number 5. 86 plus 44. It is not necessary that box will be there. It can be question by using a question mark also. If question mark is there, you have to find that missing one. Okay. 86. Tens place, ones place. 86 then 44. Okay. Let us do the addition. 6 plus 4, 10. So this 0 will be coming in the ones place and this one it will be coming as carryover to the tens place like this. Again in the tens place 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 4 how much? 12. Then 12 plus 1, this one is carrying. 12 plus 1 we get the answer as 13. This 13 is the answer of tens place. So we will write down under the tens place like this. Our answer comes 130. You can find from where the option 130 is there. Tell me children. Yes. In the option D is the correct. Then 74 plus 68. Again tens and ones. 74, 68. Put the addition sign and do the addition. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 tens, 2 ones. Then this 2 will come here. This one it will be carryover. Then 7 plus 6, 13. 13 but 1 is there as carry. So it will be 13 plus 1, 14. This 14 will write down here. 142 is the answer. So where is 142 is given in the option B. So B is the correct answer. Next question 25 plus 50 plus 50. 3 numbers are there. Tens and ones 25, 50 and 50. Let us see. Come doing from the ones place. 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Then this 5 and 0 will be 5. If any number is adding with 0, then the answer will be the same number itself, 5. Then coming to the tens place, 2 plus 5 children, 2 plus 5, 7. And this 7 and 5, if we add 7 and 5, what we will be getting? Tell me, 12. We get the answer 125. It is in the option number B, 125. Understood children? Next, 10 plus 10 plus 25. Tens, ones. 10, 10 and again 25. Let us do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. If we add 0 and 5, 0 plus 5, 5. The number itself. Then tens place 1 plus 1, 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. Our answer is 45. We'll write down here like this. And option A 46, option B 45, option C 54, option D 44. Yes, 45. So B is the correct answer. So children, now we will do 3-digit number addition. 3-digit means hundreds, tens and ones. Let us do first question. 624 plus 258. First give the place value 100, tens and ones. Okay. Then write down the first number 624. 4, 2 and then 6. Okay. Next number 258. 8, 5, 2. Got how to write down? Then addition. If we add 624 to 58. Start from the ones place, then 10, then go to the hundreds place. Ones place, if we start 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. Yes, 4 plus 8 is 12. That means 1 tens, 2 ones. Yes, These 2 will come under 1's place like this, and 1 will go over 10's place as carry. Yes? Then 10's place. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Then 6 plus 2, 8. Now we will do 3-digit addition. Let us do 624 plus 258. Hundreds, tens and ones place. Then write down the first number 624 like this. Then the second number 852. Start from the right side ones place. Okay. Then you will not be confused where to place the under 100, tens or ones place. Okay. Start from the ones place, then tens place, then go to the hundreds place. Let us do from the ones place. Ones place 4 plus 8, how much? 12. It means this 2 will write down in the 10 ones column and 1 will be going as carry to the tens column. Yes? Then we will do addition of the tens place. 2 plus 5, 7. Then this one is carry, so it will add with the 7. 7 plus 1. We get the answer as 8. Then 6 plus 2. Hundreds place 6 plus 2, 8. So we get answer our as 882. 882 is in the option number C. Put tick mark like this. Next question 314 plus 252. 110 ones 3 1 4. Then second number 2 5 2. Let us do the addition. Ones place, then tens place, then 100 place. 4 plus 2 children, 6. 1 plus 5, again 6. 3 plus 2, it is 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. If we do see the option 566 is in the option D, we will put tick mark like this. Next 656 plus 387. Like this, we have to write, then write 356, then 387. Do the addition, 7 plus 6, 13. 3 will write down here, 1 will go to the tens place. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 1, this one will add 13 plus 1, 14. Again this 4 will write down here, and 1 will go to the hundreds place. Then 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So our answer will be 743. Where is the 743? This one. We will put tick mark over the option 743. That is D. Next 240 plus 402 plus 234. 100 tens 1. See, these are the 3 digits and 3 numbers are there. Write down 240, then 402, then 234. Children, you are able to get now? Okay. Start from the ones place. 2 plus 4, 6. First do 0 plus 2. But you know 0 plus 2 will be 2. Then 2 plus 4, it will be 6. Then tens place. 4 plus 0, 4. And 4 plus 3. How much? 4 plus 3? 7. Coming to the hundreds place. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, yes, 8. So 876 is our answer. Where it is in the option number B, we can see 876 is there. So we will put tick mark. Next.
So here, my dear students, we have seen addition pattern. In this way, in the same manner, you all have to practice and do your further preparation. Hope you like today's class and you have understood today's concept. Have a nice and cheerful day. Thank you.